Hey guys,
guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you see, we got rubber bands and a watermelon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how many rubber bands can fit on this watermelon till it explodes. So basically, if you think about it, it's like a time bomb. So it could explode at any moment. So
scared. What if it hits us in one of the eyes?
that'll be funny.
YOLO.
Comment down below if you think it's gonna hit her in the face.
Do you want it to hit me in the face?
Good idea.
That's rude.
Just
Okay.
kidding. Alright, good.
Alright, so yeah. Let's get started.
Yeah.
You have one guy and then I have one guy, okay? Yeah, these are some big rubber bands. Which way should we put it? Like that?
No, this way.
Is this gonna fit? Oh yeah. Oh! What the hell? That's not gonna stay on. I'm already scared. It's not staying. Oh! I think it has to be the other way.
I think it's gonna hit you.
No.
You gotta find us that spot.
There, right there. What the hell? Look at that one.
Put that one.
Oh, they're different sizes.
That's why some of them are flinging off.
This is scary. Oh, this is 4.
No, the big ones, you should probably put it like towards the end where these ones don't fit no more.
Oh, you think so? Should I take it
Yeah.
off? Or just leave that one? I'll just leave that one.
Yeah. 4, 5, 6,
I'm scared.
7.
If this pops on my hand, it's gonna freaking hurt.
8, 9, 10, 11,
I'm scared, babe.
12, 13,
Am I putting it right at the bottom?
yeah, 14, 15. When I feel that it, whenever I feel like that it's gonna explode, I'm gonna put my phone and I'm gonna record it in slow mo.
Okay. Ow!
Okay.
Ow, yeah, that hurt.
Wait, what are we at?
I don't know. We'll look through the
16.
video. Ow! That one's gonna pop off when you just put on. These thick ones, ones right here. They're all different sizes. I'm scared. It feels like it's already gonna pop for some reason. And it's not. No, what's on the bottom? So guys, we are getting a new doggy next weekend, and we're not gonna say what kind of breed he is or whatever. We'll vlog it. Should we vlog it?
Yeah.
Like this video and comment down below if you think we should vlog getting our new dog.
I already have a name for him too.
Yeah, we'll tell you guys all that in the other video though. But if you guys want to see him, just comment down below and we'll vlog it for you guys.
We're getting him next week or next week.
Next week, yeah.
How old is he now?
He is 7 weeks old. So we get him next week and he'll be 8 weeks old. I'm scared, dude. And also, everyone has been asking us to do that eat it or wear it challenge. We are gonna do that too soon. We're just, we've been busy lately, so that'll probably be like the next 2 videos. Maybe. We'll see. Ow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 or maybe 1. We'll see.
It might be before the dog one.
maybe.
Babe, I'm getting scared because there's getting like a lot of rubber bands on there. I'm just gonna put my hair back. It's good on this side.
Flip the little table and then put the watermelon in the center. So like if we end up falling or something, just so you guys can get our reaction.
Okay.
Because like I said, it's a
16 times.
16 time box. I could explode any moment. So let's flip it. You can feel it. Look at that.
Yes, it's gonna look like it's gonna pop.
Starting to look like a little booty.
You're done. Keep it like that though. We should have did it like this.
I know, but it was kind of hard finding a spot, you know? It's gonna pop. You can see it more, look.
You can't really see it in the camera.
I know.
Come on, guys, let's finish it before it pops in your hands. Wait, put it towards you more.
It's gonna pop.
I'm scared, for real. Ow.
It hurt.
Freaking ankle. Damn.
That hurt, huh?
Yeah.
I got to.
I'm like sweaty. What are you doing?
Looking at the pop. You've literally been out here like an hour already.
Here. That's gonna hurt my hand. Hell no, I'm not doing that.
Like, hold it down.
Is it leaking? What's that wetness in?
Going up, baby. Now they're gonna fuck from the bottom?
No, it's leaking, huh?
Is that a pop?
It's leaking.
Oh, it is leaking. It's gonna pop. Let's keep going.
I know. Bring me sunglasses. You just smacked my dog. Bring me sunglasses. Oh, I know. It's taking forever. If we ever, this is like both of the bags. We only have a little bit left. It's getting like wet. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop.
Why?
Look. Oh! We gotta put another one on. Wait, no, turn towards you. I'm scared.
Well, help me.
Oh, no, face it towards me. Face it towards you.
It's been like that the whole time.
Turn it towards you.
It's not gonna make a difference, babe.
Yeah, it is. I think you're on your own now, buddy.
Oh. That was what?
Oh, damn! We can build another bed.
Oh, dang.
Oh,
What the
yeah.
heck? Look at that.
Huh? There's a good watermelon.
Look, it ripped it all off. Look at that.
Huh? No, it didn't. It just stayed in a ball. Look. You know, I'm just gonna enjoy some watermelon to myself. Good. Yeah, oh yeah. This is really good. That was pretty sick. It was really, really good. My mom was looking at me through the window and she's laughing. She thinks I'm crazy. Kind of like this watermelon go to waste. I was telling you kind of let it go to waste.
I'm eating it though.
Eh, that's okay. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Put some tahini over here. Put some tahini and some. Oh yeah. Good. Look at that sunset behind us. Well, that was a success after an hour. We were out here
Literally.
for an hour, like seriously an hour, and it's so hot out here, like
Very humid.
very. So
Now time to clean up. Well, this was a success after a freaking hour. But Yeah, so stay tuned for whenever we get the new puppy and for the wear it or eat it challenge.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna do that one. That one's like our like highly recommended video, and we're gonna do that one. So, okay. So comment down below like what we should use.
Like what foods?
What foods, yeah. So
Comment down below if you guys think I should use the apple cider again.
hell no. Okay then. Well, that was it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
And drop a big thumbs
And
up.
drop a big thumbs. Did I say that? Drop a big thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.